What is going on, guys? GregglesTV. We have two cases here from GPEL. We have the Everpure Hybrid and also the Everpure Max. The Hybrid is $9.99, the Max is $14.99, so very inexpensive cases, and therefore, as you can see, the Galaxy Note 8. So let's check these cases out. First up, we have the Hybrid case, and again, this is $9.99. It is a see-through case. It bends a little bit of a hard back. And all the ports are cut out. So let's put the phone inside here. See how well it goes in. Goes in real nice. I don't have any issues with that whatsoever. And on the back of the phone, you can see you do have a slight cutout for the camera on the back here with a slight bump. Not a lot of protection on the back. I'd be a little concerned to drop it on its back, but it's definitely going to protect against scratches. You're not going to get any scratches on this because of that case. On the bottom here, you can see you have the ports all cut out, so if you need access to those ports, you'll have no problems whatsoever. Let's do the little S Pen test. Comes out real nice. I like that. The power button on the phone works really, really good. Let's check the volume keys. Very nice. No issues with that. Feels good in your hand. Doesn't feel like you're gonna drop it at all, even though it's a clear case and it's just a kind of like a plastic case. If you're safe with your phones, I think this case will be good for you. Definitely against scratches. I really wouldn't want to drop it whatsoever, especially on the front. The front doesn't have a lot of lip at the top or the bottom, and the sides not as well. So it's not really a highly protective case, but it definitely will allow you to see what your phone looks like, and also it'll allow you to, again, just protect against scratches and very, very small drops. And lastly is the Max case. Again, it's got the same kind of build on the back as the last case, except it's got this black outer shell that should absorb some of the shock if it does fall. So let's put the Galaxy Note 8 in here. Goes in really good. Both these cases go in really, really nicely. I don't have any issues with that whatsoever. The cutout on the back is slightly larger, at least it seems it anyway, on the back to protect the camera. So if you're clumsy and you drop it, it should protect the camera ever so slightly. I feel like it does give some better grip too, even though it's kind of plastic over this black shell. It does feel like it gives you some better grip. The front of the phone definitely gives you some more protection for sure on these edges right here. It gives you some more, just much more protection. There's no other way to say it. It sticks out more. So I would definitely be, if out of these two cases, the Max and the Pure, definitely the Max is definitely going to protect you more. Let's check out these buttons. That seemed to work fine. Let's try the volume keys. Those work good. Let's try Bixby. Good old Bixby button works great. At the bottom, all your port cutouts. I love it. You don't have to worry about getting those out. Ooh, let's try the S Pen. What's up with that? Oh, that's kind of weird. I can get my S Pen out. It's not too bad, but definitely going in there, you definitely have to push a little bit more. I feel like they should have cut that cutout by the S Pen just slightly more. If you have a really fat finger, you might have some issues getting in there. My fingers are kind of fat, but I don't know. If you have really, really thick fingers, be concerned about getting that S Pen out, because you really gotta. I have to use the tip of my fingernail to get it out, and I have no fingernails right now, so just be wary about that. But overall, feels good in your hand. Definitely will give you some protection. $14.99 for this one, and only $9.99 for the Pure. I'll link them both in the description down below. If you have any questions or comments, leave those down below. Thanks for watching. I will see you down the road. Peace.